Okay, boys and girls, you're going to need your paper. Oh, hopefully you have your sketchbook. If not, you need a piece of paper with no lines on it would be best, and a pencil to start. Then you're also going to need a little cup of water. I have a little container of water. If you have a bottle of water, you could just take the bottle and pour a little bit in a cap. You don't need much water, just a little. And then you're going to need 3 Crayola markers. You're going to need a yellow one, a blue, and a red. Okay? Crayons would not work for this project. So hopefully you guys have a red, yellow, and blue marker. If you don't have those handy, stop the video and go get those. Press pause, and then you can press play when you return. Okay, I'm going to start right away. So what we're going to do, we're going to make a big dot. We're actually going to make 3 dots, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to color them with our primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. And then we're going to do something very exciting, like a science experiment. So I want to make 3 circles, probably a little bit bigger than like a quarter. So maybe as big as a golf ball. 3 circles on your paper with your pencil. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to color each of those circles one of the primary colors. So I'm going to start with yellow. There we go. And red. Ooh, this red's a little bit dry. That is okay for this project. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then blue. Blue is pretty dark, so I don't want to color. Oh, this one is a little dry too. Actually, for this project, a dry marker works really well. All right, so now we have the primary colors. Red, yellow, and blue. Nice job. Now what you want to do is add a primary color to another primary color. So I have blue here. So I want to make the color green. Which color should I add to this blue dot to make green? Should I add yellow or red? If you said yellow, you are right. So I'm going to just take my yellow marker and color right over the blue dot. And it should start to look like green right away. Now I want you to change this marker. It's like we'll turn it into watercolor. So you dip your finger in the water cup and then you dab, dab, dab around. Don't rub, you're just going to dab. If you rub, your paper might get pilly. Pilly is like when you have little crumbs. My paper is a little thicker than yours, so it might get pilly. So I just like to dab. If you end up with too much water, you might have to run and get a tissue or some paper towel. So try not to get too much water on there, but look at how you turn that blue into green. All right, so we're going to move now to the red primary color. I would like to change the red into orange. Would I add yellow or blue to make orange? I'm going to add yellow. You said yellow, you are right. Let's see what happens. It looks a little orange. It looks like a pumpkin. Okay, and now I'm going to take so you can see my finger's kind of green. Maybe I'll take the other finger and dab, dab, dab. See, maybe a little bit more water. It's okay if it goes outside of the line. There we go. Nice. Now we have orange. So we have green and orange, and then the third secondary color is what haven't we added yet? So we had this was blue, this was red, this is still yellow. So we need to make whoops. I need to make purple, and I can't. So I'm going to have to draw another circle. Draw another circle. And color it blue. I need to make purple. What do I add to blue to make purple? If I add yellow, I get green. No. If I add blue, I just get more blue. If I add red, you're a genius. Red. Should get like a purpley violet. Okay. Now I'm going to use my other finger. Dab, dab, dab. Try to get a purple. Ooh, that's cool. That's like a red violet. I like it. I'll add a little more water. Try to get it to the edge. Ooh, that's starting to look cool. Cool. Okay. Maybe if you want to take off some of the paint. There we go. And, with my boo-boo, I think I'm going to I can either make orange or green. So I'll leave it up to you guys, whatever you want to make. I think I'm going to make another or no, I'm going to just leave it yellow. If you want to try do another orange, you could add red to that. Or if you want to do a green, you could add blue to that, or you could leave it yellow. All right, now we have the secondary colors, green, orange, and purple. And now we have one primary. Let's go ahead and add, we're going to make this into a drawing. One circle, and I'm going to put another one. I'm going to hide one somewhere. I'm going to hide it. Hide it behind here. I want to hide it behind the green because it might be dry. So I want to put back so we have a primary color too. I'm going to put the primary colors. So we'll have 3 primary colors and 3 secondary colors. And what I want you guys to do is make this into a magic drawing of balloons. Okay, this one, remember this one was a little dry? So I have a trick for that. I hold it in the water, 1, 2, 3, and then I take it out, and then I have to wait 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that should work better. Oh yeah, that works a lot better. Okay, so now we have pretty much made all the primary and all the secondary colors. Can you pick them out? Let's pick them out together. So red, blue, yellow, primary. Everybody say red, blue, yellow, primary. And then green, orange, purple, secondary. Very good. So now we have to make this into a bunch of balloons. So I'm going to draw a dot right here. You guys got to draw a dot under all these circles. And now I want you to, these are helium balloons. So these are floating high in the sky. So you have to draw the strings. Well, that one has to hide behind that one. This one is right here. Maybe you could do like a little. There you go. Maybe a little there. A little tighter. There you go. Now we have a balloon. It's like a balloon of rainbows, a rainbow of balloons. Nice job. So if you guys want to label these, you could. If you're good at spelling, blue, green, red, yellow, orange, and purple. That is cool. So nice job, boys and girls, with making your dots into a design. Now we're going to get another piece of paper. Okay? And I want you guys to make your favorite color on this piece of paper. I'm going to just turn this way. So my favorite color I think I made was orange. No, I like the blue, green. So I want to make I'm going to make a blue-green again. I'm going to make blue. And then I have to add, you guys remember? Do we add yellow or red to make that green? Yellow, right. So I add a little yellow. Sometimes when you draw with your markers over another color, it turns the marker that color. Then you sort of need like a scratch paper to get the marker cleaned up. Okay, so I wonder if Vashti would like this. I want it to be like a Vashti-esque dot. Okay, so we want you to make your own dot. You can make any color you want, but any secondary color, purple, green, or orange, and then turn that dot into a picture. This dot is going to become, let's see, what could a green dot be? Green dot, oh, could be maybe a lollipop tree. There's a lollipop tree. Yay, and then there's a sun setting. So make a dot into a picture and save it in your sketchbook. And I want you to turn this in and your primary and secondary experiments too. So save this and the other. If you guys are working on just separate sheets of paper, not your sketchbook, please save both of those activities that we did today. Thanks so much for trying something new and mixing with your fingers and a little bit of water. We'll see you guys next time. Make sure you get back to class at 1:30. So watch the clock. If it's getting close to 1:30, put all your supplies away and then return to class by 1:30.